Bit of a theme with the videos this week, as you can probably tell, all to do with tools and getting used to working with tools because we're doing the refurbishment here at the cottage, as a lot of people know anyway. This week, a quick tip. This is about simplification and watching for details in your business of your systems and procedures and even your marketing. Do they all join up? Are they aligned in what you're doing? This, as most people know, is a tape measure, Stanley Tylon tape measure, 5 meter, and all very useful. We've been using this to do the refurb in the barn and measuring doors and gates and paper and all that sort of thing. And what you do, a couple of tips on this thing, is that the end, this little hook, is actually loose. If you can rattle it. There's a reason for that, is because if you're measuring externally like that, then this pulls out and measures from there to the inside of the hook. If you're doing internally, this shifts and you can measure from there to there, and it gives you the internal dimension as well, and that moves for a reason to compensate for the thickness of the tab. All very good stuff. Now, what we also have is, on measuring internally, is that I can put the tape measure down, measure to there on the scale, and simply add on how big the tape measure is, and that gives me another internal dimension. Very straightforward, useful for doors and cabinets and kitchens, all that sort of thing. Now this thing here is, as you can see, a 5 meter tape measure by Stanley, all very good quality. On the back, however, to find out how big this thing is, to add on to that dimension when you're measuring the internal door or internal cabinet or something like that, you'd think it'd be in millimeters, wouldn't you? Because it's a 5 meter tape measure and it's in centimeters and all that sort of thing. However, I'll show you the back and attempt to get it into focus for you, as it is just about, where is it going to come into focus? There. Add on 2 3/4 inches. Not very helpful if you're working in France. It's all metric. What the heck's 2 3/4 inches? I mean, it's about 68 mil, I think, something like that. But if you've got a metric tape measure in millimeters, then that dimension on there should be in millimeters. Pretty obvious, pretty straightforward. And what's happened, of course, is this will be used for maybe the UK market, where it's very confusing because they use both, or the mold or the carcass is from the American market, but the tape is the European ISO market. But the two don't go together. Now we can figure it out. We can work out what 2 3/4 inches is in millimeters, multiplied by 25.4. Very straightforward. But I don't want to be doing that when I'm measuring my kitchen or doing the door or doing the frame or doing something like that. And I find this a lot in businesses and products where it's not joined up, it doesn't quite flow, it doesn't sit well, the detail isn't quite there. So what have you got in your business that is not quite perfect, doesn't quite line up? There's the equivalent of this 2 3/4 inches on a metric tape measure in lots of businesses, lots of products, lots of services. Ease of use, ease of purchase. This can trip people up. It can just, it's okay for me. I'm old enough to be, I was trained in both Imperial and metric. I'm okay with it, but it's just it's a thing that shouldn't really be there. So what's in your business have you got that is just a bit clunky, not working very well and not joined up? So more videos to come. Have a great day. Leave comments below. Remember to register and to sign up and follow. I look forward to your feedback and your comments, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.